Want to know how to make a thumbnail? Stay tuned. First, go download these apps. Next, you're going to have to find a photo that you like for your background. Go find it and save it to your photo roll. Now open PicsArt. Now you're going to find the picture that you just saved into your photo roll. Here's the picture that I chose to use. You're going to look towards the bottom of the screen and find the Fit button. You're going to click Ratio, and then you're going to select YouTube, and then size your picture to fit inside the white film. Now we will mess around with the borders just to make the picture look a lot better. There's a lot of sliders towards the bottom. You can adjust them to your liking, and then when you have it, push apply. I also lowered my opacity down to 30. PicsArt has a lot of cool designs, so I'm going to add some designs just to make my picture look a lot cuter. You know, just add some girly effects to it. Now I can move on to adding my character. I'm going to show you guys how to put the picture on there and make it transparent. First, you're going to find the cutout button. Click on cutout, and then you're going to click person. Then you click on your character and it's going to turn red. Boom, there it is. And you just adjust it to your liking. My character needs a face, so I have some faces saved into my photo roll that I'm going to add onto my character. And I'm just going to adjust it as so. These are PNG files on Google. Type in Roblox characters or faces PNG file. Now it's time to add your text. What do you want your thumbnail to say? I'm going to put, let's play Roblox. Now that I've done that, I'm going to adjust it and add some special effects. Here you can pick your font and the color of your letters that you choose. This app also has cool textures that you can add. As you can see here, I'm going to pick a cool one that I like, and I'm going to put a border around it. Just play around with it till you get what you're looking for. Here's the finished product. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.